Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how to make a hydraulic hose and what is the correct adjustment in crimping a hydraulic hose in different sizes. But first, I will show you the ferrule and the connector that we need to use. First is, I will show you the list. As you can see, the first row is the sizes of the hose, which is 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch. And the ferrule that we need to use is number 4, 5, 4, for 1/4, and for 5/16 is number 5. For 3/8 is number 6. For 1/2 is number 8 ferrule. For 3/8 is number 10. And for 3/4 we need to use number 12. For 1 inch we need to use number 16. And now I will show you the ferrule. This is the ferrule, guys. Number 210 by 4 is for 1/4 2 wire. There's a type of hose which is 1 wire, 2 wire, and 4 wire. This one is for 4 wire hose. Next, I will show you this ferrule 210 number 6. This one is for 3/8 and 2 wire hose. This is the connector, elbow, GIC type. This one is straight, GIC type. Next is 40006. This one is for 4 wire hose and 3/8 size of hose. The next one is as you can see, this one 210 number 8. 210 number 8 is for 1/2 hose, 2 wire. And the connector is straight, GIC type, elbow, GIC type. The next one is this ferrule is 210 number 10. This one is for 5/8. 5/8 and 2 wire hose. The other one is 400 number 10 is for 5/8 hose, 4 wire. The next one is 210 number 12 is for 3/4 2 wire hose. The other one is 40012 for 4 wire hose, 3/4. And now I will show you the die set that we need to use. This number 18 die set is for 5/16 hose. This number 21 die set is for 3/8 hose. This 27 die set is for 5/16 hose. And this number 24 die set for 1/2 hose. And this number 30 die set is for 3/4 hose. And this number 39 die set is for 1 inch hose.